Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to see your TikTok Wrapped 2024. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open TikTok on your phone and make sure that you have the latest version. Once you open it, go to your profile on the bottom right corner right here. Just click on it. Once you go to your profile, now you'll have to go on the top right corner, click on these three horizontal lines. So tap on it, then go to settings and privacy. And now what you should do is to simply navigate to an option which is called account. It will be in the top right here. Just tap on it, and here you'll have many options. You just have to click on download your data. And now here, as you can see, it will show here this page. You will just have to tap on this button and choose all data, then click on done and choose the file format. Tap on select file format, then choose JSON right here, then click on done. Once you click on it, you will now have to click on request data, and this will take a couple of minutes, hours, or even a couple of days. As you can see here, when your file is ready for download, it will be available for 4 days. If you submit another request, your existing file will expire. So you'll have to wait for maximally 4 days, and after that, they will notify you that your file will be ready for download. Now, let's consider that you have the file. What you should do is to simply go to your Google or any browser that you have, then search for TikTok Wrapped, and here you will have the first option. Just click on this website, then you will find here this page. Click on start now, then it will navigate you to this page. Click on I have my TikTok file, then it will show you here this page. Click on select file, then choose the file from media picker, for example. Go to your files, then navigate to the file that you have downloaded from TikTok and select it, and after that it will show you all the data that you need. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.